Your thinking will never remain the same after you watch this video. Welcome to yet another video on self-improvement and reflection. In today's video, we'll carefully scrutinize the daily habits and mindset techniques of billionaires and what they know that you don't. You'll be surprised to find out they aren't anything extraordinary. They're just secrets you aren't aware of yet, but I'll share them with you today, so pay close attention. The first one may surprise you, but will surely change your life. Number 1. Reading. It's nothing spectacular. There are no extra filters, just reading. If you ask an average person how often they read, probably not all the time. There has to be an occasion for them to read. However, let's look at what Warren Buffett has to say about reading. And for those who might not know who he is, he's a 94-year-old CEO with a net worth of over $149 billion. So I'm pretty sure he has much to spill. Now, for Warren, reading is a daily habit. In his interview with Professor Jeff Cunningham in 2015, he revealed that he reads for over 5 to 6 hours daily. I'm not talking about academic books alone here. It's a combination of newspapers, magazines, reports, and many new and refreshing things. What this does for him is it opens his mind and fills in tiny little details which become useful for him once it's time for decision making. One of the things known and respected about Warren is his ability to make extremely decisive and fast decisions. And the reason for this isn't some unearthly hard task, it's just reading. As simple as it may sound, reading something new every day opens you up to more knowledge. And this extra step you took can be the reason why you made that life-changing decision, or you took that high risk that changed your financial future forever. So after you drop this video, make sure to ask yourself, what am I filling my head with? Now for the next hack. Number 2, don't stop when it hurts. For the 10% of individuals out there who actually made it through, the secret is simple. They didn't give up. Giving up is easy. If we're being rational, why do I have to keep knocking at a closed door? It's best to leave, right? But here's the little secret. For the ones who held on for a little while, the door did open up to them. This is why Elon Musk would advise you to do what you really love, because that makes things easier. The moment you get exhausted, you whine and cry, but you still keep pushing because the passion is there. The main item is never to give up, because that's when true failure sets in. It doesn't matter the number of no's you get, or the amount of times you've been told you can't make it. The most important hack is consistency, which is the extra push while waiting for the miracle to happen. Let's take Jack Ma, for example. Trust me, he can write a whole book on the number of failures he has had throughout his life. From failing mini tests to rejected job applications. This man right here has a story to tell at every corner of his life. However, today, he is known as the founder of Alibaba Group with over $27 billion in net worth. If you want to find out more about Jack Ma, then you can check out our other videos on his advice to battle failure and come out a winner. So anytime you feel like life's getting even more challenging, that's your cue that you are almost at the finish line. So you must always remember that giving up is not an option. Now we'll take another daily habit you must learn to incorporate in your life if success is what you aim for. Number 3, talk less and listen more. That's right. Sometimes all it takes is to just shut up and listen to that one person speak. Let them pour out all the information you need while you sit there and learn from their mistakes, lessons, and successes. What happens when you talk less is that it allows you to listen to other people more. And for most successful individuals out there, their life-changing decision came from listening to that advice or accessing that exclusive information that they wouldn't have had access to if they didn't keep their mouths shut. Take it from me. You must know when to be quiet and only speak when spoken to. This little habit is sure to change your life in ways you least expect, because now you can filter out all the information you don't need while keeping only the useful ones. All right, here's a quick one before we move on. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, now's the time to do so. You wouldn't want to risk not seeing us again and losing your chance to more life-changing videos. So take a moment and hit that button. Finally, let's take one more hack. This one is what I like to call a financial transforming secret. Number 4, invest early and wisely. If you ask me when the best time for investing is, I'd say it's the time when you have little or no life responsibilities. What happens when you invest early is that you give yourself more time to grow. Investing takes a long time. I mean, if you wish to really benefit from it, you can confirm that with Warren Buffett, who started investing at age 11. Investing isn't something you put in today and get out tomorrow, but instead it's a process, and you stand a chance to benefit more the longer you're in the game. This is why you need to start early. Now, chances are that the investment you are bailing on doesn't work out. What should you do in this case? Here's when diversification comes in. Your investment should not reside in one place. However, you must do it all wisely and smartly. One advice I'd always give for investing is to do what you have knowledge about. And if you can't answer a thing or two about it, then you aren't ready for it yet. This brings us to this. If you were given the chance to either invest your money or keep it safe in the bank, which would you choose? So, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. We'll return next Sunday with a more inspiring and life-changing video like this one.